Hello everyone, welcome to Possible Tips. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So first of all, for doing that, I would recommend you download an application called YT Studio. Now this application is very helpful for YouTubers, especially YouTubers, because this application has so many features. Like, it shows the analytics, you can change the thumbnail, you can upload a thumbnail, you can change the description tags, and you can look your analytics anytime you want. So I would highly recommend to download this application if you are a YouTuber. So I have this application, so I will just open it, and now I will just scroll down and I will select any video that I want to upload a thumbnail of. So I'll just select this one, and now what I will need to do is I will click this edit option. Okay, and when I click it, I can change anything I want, like description and all, but I will click again this pencil icon, which is edit, and now here you can see I can upload a custom thumbnail. So if I click on it, I will have so many things, like so many pictures in my storage which I have. So I will just select I don't have a thumbnail actually, because I don't want to upload any thumbnail. So after doing that, just click on this save, select, there will be a save option, and you can just click on this save and your thumbnail will be saved. Okay, it will be uploaded pretty easily. So this app is very useful for YouTubers, so I would highly recommend to download it. It's just 6 to 8 MB, I guess, very small application, so don't worry about the space, and it will help you in many ways. So I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments, and if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and let me know, and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.